How you been? Have you told your mother about me? I heard you've been away to discover yourself or something. Or was it worth it when you stole his heart? Never returned it, but he'd earned shit for you from the start. Are you working or just wasting your time? Did I mention that you're still on my mind? Still that lonely guy, low yet high. Don't know why I still get at your phone. Like me, I should fucking focus on my own life. Yeah. But the bigger picture slips and you become more significant in the mixture. Can't seem to see myself. Always strive to be myself. But who am I